Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD very sideways price action. We cannot deny that the daily time frame and up is still in a very strong downtrend, which means that really at any time this thing could easily just keep on trending down. So just be aware of the higher time frame trends no matter what. But when you go down to the shorter time frames, it definitely looks like it's making a correction to the higher time frame move down. So it definitely looks like potentially three waves up. It looks like this potentially is like a very sideways price action. Kind of almost looks like a W, maybe a wave X, and maybe it does make three waves up for like a wave Y, possibly putting us up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. If it does go up and make a wave Y, it should take out the high of wave W, which potentially would put us up to the 78%. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely what I would expect to see. But the problem with this analysis is it's going against the higher time frames, which means that at any point the higher time frame trend could continue down. And we do have some news coming out today, so just be aware of your higher time frame trends at all time. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.